Today we build your first macro from scratch. One click, and my full signature types itself into any program. Simple, but it contains every concept you'll use from now on. Actions, the macro, and the button. Let's go. From the macros menu, I choose New Macro. I give it a name, Signature. Then the important choice, the target app, where the macro will act. I pick Generic. It means the macro targets the last app one clicked on, perfect for a signature I want to use everywhere. For macros dedicated to one program, like DaVinci, you'd pick that program instead. We'll get there later in the series. A macro is a list of actions executed in order. I add the first one, a text action, which types for me. In the field, I put the first line, best regards. Every action has its own parameters. For text, it's simply what to type. For other actions, it'll be keys, coordinates, timings. The form builds itself based on the action type you pick. Now, I need a new line. I add a keyboard action that presses Enter. Then another text action with my name and title. Between actions, I insert a 200 millisecond delay. Pauses make macros reliable because they give the target program time to keep up. Remember this, it's tip number 1. The list below is my macro. I can reorder actions by dragging, edit them, or delete them. I save and assign the macro to a button on the grid. I also give it a color so I can spot it instantly. From now on, the signature is one click away, always on top of any program. Let's try it. I click in a notepad. Remember, a generic macro targets the last app clicked, then press the button. There it is. And if my title changes tomorrow, I open the macro again from the button or the macros menu. Edit the line, save, the button is already up to date. Recap with me. Actions are the single steps. The macro is the ordered list of steps. The button is the trigger. Everything you'll see in the coming videos, DaVinci, browser, AI, is built on these 3 blocks. Next video, we run this same macro without touching the mouse with a hotkey.